Okay, so we have a customer and he says, I need some extended bonnets on my valves.
Now.
Okay, we can do that using our in-house team technical valve services. So first off, pick the right part for the right job. That's very important. As you can see, we've got a variety of sizes, all in stock. So here's what you'll need. 4 M5 socket cap head screws, 4 spring washers, 4 nuts, Starline EB bonnet, 1 Starline valve. So we put the valve in the vise and we take the existing handle off. We won't be needing that. Then we put the extended bonnet onto the stem of the valve and make sure there's a tight seal. So we screw them in sequence. The sequence could be different depending on the valve, so it's always good to check the manufacturer's specifications. Here we're using an
M5
bolt, so we know we need a torque rating of
4.2.
and we use a torque wrench. Here we are torquing it up. It's good to torque. And there we have it. See you in the next one.